Hey there, are you preparing for the IELTS reading section and feeling overwhelmed? I know exactly how you feel. Jumping between YouTube videos, random PDFs, and scattered advice, it's exhausting and confusing. You're not alone. Most students struggle with IELTS reading not because they can't read English, but because they lack a clear, organized system and proven strategies. That's exactly why I created this comprehensive Notion template. It's everything I wish existed when I started helping students achieve their target band scores. Let me show you what's inside. Here's what you get in this Notion template. Complete coverage of all 7 IELTS reading question types with proven strategies. The 5 key skills that Band 8+ scorers use to tackle any passage. Built-in progress trackers and daily checklists to keep you organized. And time management techniques that actually work on exam day. Everything you need in one place. No more scattered resources. Just $14.99 for lifetime access. That's less than one tutoring session, but it works 24/7. Click the link below and get instant access right now. Your future self will thank you. And that is everything. You have now seen how to use every part of this useful and powerful template. But here is the best part. If you ever get stuck, whether it is setting up a database or figuring out how to link tasks, you are not alone. Inside the template, there's a full help and support section with step-by-step guides, answers to common questions, quick troubleshooting tips, and even a direct contact form so you can reach out for personal help whenever you need it. This isn't just a tool, it is your academic partner, built to grow with you. Grab the template, start today, and let's make this semester your most organized, productive one yet.
If you love this planner, you'll want to check out even more learning-focused tools like IELTS prep kits, vocabulary builders, and skill-based planners, all designed to help you learn smarter. Visit sparkskytech.com/shop/learning-education. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more Notion templates and productivity hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss a new release. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, I read every one. Now go out there and own your academic journey.